What's up, guys? This is day 3 of the Supra detail. Finally got a chance to come by because the weather's been really bad in Florida. It's been raining on and off, but today's pretty nice, really sunny. Car's parked outside today, but it's fine. I'm gonna be doing the whole entire driver's side because that's what I need to finish doing, as well as the spoiler, the rear bumper, front bumper, and the side skirt. I guess you can include that on the side as well. For the most part, it held up pretty nicely. I have the car in the sun, so I can see how well of a job I did last time I was here, and it seems to be really nice. There's really little to no fine scratches anywhere from the panels that I worked on already, which is the hood and the whole passenger side. So just do a quick walk around here. You can see how nicely it shines and the reflection from the clouds. Compounding polish and wax definitely bring the paints out on cars. Only thing I have to say in advance, these headlights, I'm going to try to hit these headlights with some compound and try to get that shiny, but I think Roberto said that it's on the inside that's causing the issue because of some condensation and whatnot. So if he really wanted to, he can actually tear these apart and completely buff the inside and reseal it, and it will look brand new. But we're gonna get started on this. It's somewhat cloudy and sunny today. It's about 68 degrees. Ideally, this would be better to do it inside, away from the sun, but I'm gonna try to work with it because, you know, full house. All right, less talking, more working.
Let me see the pad you're using for this.
Compound pad.
Compound?
Yeah.
What grade is it?
weather so far down here? Too fucking hot, right?
Summer.
It's too hot, man.
Oh.
It feels like this every freaking day. Probably 340 days a year. If we get like only like, you know, a month of cool weather.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah. Oh, you from like ice cold
Yeah.
state, right?
When I was in Connecticut past weekend, it was negative 30.
Other people saying, Dave, it's too cold, you can't do anything.
It
I feel the same way when it's too humid too.
is. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a fine line, I guess. Alright guys, battery died on the camera, so using the phone. Car's completely done. As you can see, the sun's about to set. Worked all the way into the afternoon. It's looking really good. Here's the side that I already did. Reflection. Looking really good now. Little to no scratches, or fine scratches. The bumper is finally deep in color, glossy. If you watch the second part of the video, I show you the front end. It was really like oxidized and it really needed work. I was able to get in there and polish most of this out. It's looking real good now.